Hello 11th standard business math students, welcome back to chapter 1 matrices and determinants. In exercise 1.2 sum number 3 I have given 4 subdivisions. First two are of two matrices of order 2 cross 2. So first we are going to solve 2 cross 2 and 3 and 4 are order 3 cross 3. Okay, so for 2 cross 2 we are going to find out inverse of each of the following matrices. Okay, for inverse you have got 4 steps, isn't it? What are the 4 steps? For A inverse, you can write it as first step, determinant of A not equal to 0. Second step, find the what is this? Cofactor matrix. And third one, find adjoint of A. And fourth and final step is going to be A inverse 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. So these 4 steps you are going to follow wherever you get the inverse problems. Okay, so first is subdivision. Copy and paste it here. Okay, this is our first subdivision. Keep this as A. This is going to be our A. Okay, what is our first step? Determinant A equal to, we are going to find out what is determinant A. So leading diagonal 3 into 1, 3. Our leading diagonal 1 into 3 is 3 minus into minus 2. So that is going to become 3 plus 2, that is equal to 5, not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists. So this step, this you have to write for each and every sum, because only why do we write this step? Determinant A not equal to 0 only you can proceed with A inverse. So your first step is determinant A. When determinant A is not equal to 0, you have to write A inverse exists. Now for this 2 cross 2 matrix you have got a shortcut. So this second step and third step you are going to combine together and you are going to find directly adjoint A. So how do you find adjoint A? So what you are going to do here is, this leading diagonal you are going to invert it 3 1, and the sign of this diagonal you are going to change the sign. What is going to be your sign now? So this minus will become plus and plus will become minus. So this is going to be your adjoint A. So now we have found out determinant A and adjoint A. Now we can proceed with our fourth step, A inverse. Write out the formula 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. So your answer is 1 by determinant A is 5 into adjoint A is 3 1 minus 2 1. This is going to be our A inverse as far as the first subdivision is concerned. Now going to our second subdivision. Okay, again you are going to follow the 4 steps. So first you are going to do, this is going to be your A. So determinant A, again leading diagonal 3 into 3 9 minus of minus 1, that is equal to 10, not equal to 0. Therefore A inverse exists. So determinant A, you have found out the value. Now again, since this is also a 2 cross 2 matrix, so combine for second step and third step. This is going to be your first step. So combining both you get adjoint A, that is equal to invert, it is 3 3, so no need to think. Now for this diagonal you are going to change your sign. So plus 1 becomes minus 1 and minus 1 becomes plus 1. This is going to be your adjoint. Now you are going to go to fourth step and final step, A inverse 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. That is nothing but 1 by 10 into adjoint A is 3 minus 1 1 and 3. So this is going to be your final answer for the second subdivision. So 1 by 10 into 3 minus 1 1 comma 3. This is going to be your A inverse. Okay, thank you.